Would Kevin Shank please come to table 4? Your cube awaits. Oh, yeah, it's me. Hey, just warn you, I have really bad allergies right now, so, yeah, just letting you know. Alright, good luck, and let me know when you're ready. Oh, yeah, I'm ready. 8 seconds. 12 seconds. Ooh, got a little snot on my fingers. That's okay. Oh, crap. So, can I get an extra, or... Wait, let me check real quick. Is that just a... Yep, looks like that's a DNF. Oh, and, could I borrow one of your tissues real quick? Yeah, I think you got a little bit of your toxic waste on me. Too bad I can't get a shower now since I'm spending the night in my car. Oh, that's what I get for not paying for a hotel room. I'm gonna go get cleaned up.